Hello everyone, here's what's up in San Bernardino for January 5th through January 11th, 2026. On Monday, the Health Education Center, 1725 Western Avenue North in San Bernardino presents Beat Strong, Connection Between Diabetes and Heart Health. Learn how to protect your heart with lifestyle strategies. It's free. For more information, call 909-806-1816. Feeling creative? Come to the VSNR Branch Library on Tuesday, 525 North Mount Vernon Avenue in San Bernardino and create your very own DIY pipe cleaner flower bouquet. Learn to make them for gifts or decorations. Everyone is welcome to attend, and all supplies will be provided. For more information, call 909-998-4251. Bring your best buddy to the trick training class held at the Humane Society of San Bernardino Valley, 374 West Orange Shore Road in San Bernardino. Your pup will learn shake, wave, high five, bow, crawl, roll over, and more creative tricks your dog will love learning. For more information, visit danceswithdogstc.net. On Thursday, enjoy an unforgettable night as global superstar Ricky Martin brings his electrifying performance and chart-topping hits to Yamava Theater at Yamava Resort Casino. For showtimes and tickets, visit yamava.com. It's movie day at Rolling Start on Friday, 1955 Hunts Lane in San Bernardino. Come from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. to watch a movie with friends while munching on delicious popcorn and snacks. For more information, call 909-890-9516. It's San Bernardino Senior Saturday. The Senior Services Division takes pride in providing resources to San Bernardino's senior community with two senior centers, Fifth Street Senior Center and Paris Hill Senior Center, a hub for senior activities. Enjoy activities such as Golden Gamers for board games and popular Wii bowling. For more information, call 909-998-2800. January 11th is celebrated as National Hot Toddy Day. Hot toddies are usually alcoholic drinks whose ingredients can be easily tweaked. They are often drunk as nightcaps and are a winter favorite, often being drank when it's cold and wet. Enjoy responsibly. And that's what's up in San Bernardino for January 5th through January 11th, 2026. If you have an event that you'd like us to highlight here, send an email to events@videop.com. And we'll see you next time. We'll let you know what's up San Bernardino.